happened to come across Vinda because she is also a proud member of Rotary, and she requested us for the benches, actually for 50 benches. But then I said, okay, whatever possible from our end, we just do it. But then luckily I had a call from our governor also, like district governor, and we are applied for the district grant, and then I just requested him for the 10 benches. So I thank our governor DG Nasir sir for providing us with the benches so that we could help the school with the benches. Thank you. And we have with us today assistant governor who has come all the way from Apsa for handing over the benches. Okay. So any more, I think so there are requirement for more benches, so we'll put it for to our club and all our well wishers. So as and when we get the required necessary funds, we'll be most welcome to serve it to the school.
Congratulations first and foremost. This is your new academic year. All the best. And I think with the new benches, you should be excelling further. Yeah. And if you do well, I think Rotary Club of yours is which club? Passport Club and Poketown together, I think you can change the makeover of and give you more benefits and more facilities to move forward in your studies and academics. Well, do you all know what Rotary is about? Okay, in a simple language, Rotary is an international organization, and business, women and men come together and they try to do good to the community and the society themselves. So it's an organization where all the members work towards the betterment of the community. So based on that, one of the avenue is to uplift the education segment. That's why we are here, and the president of Vasco Poketown is here, wherein they are enhancing the facilities for the students so that you all can do better. So based on this, I think your results also needs to be leveled up. Okay, and I request Pallavi and Brinda, to form an interact club. They should know what Rotary is all about. And looking at them, I think they are very into young kids. I think they will take it up very nicely. So once you inculcate those values in them as far as how to reach out to the community, I think they will also understand what is an event. I think the Rotary Club can be a good add-on, and even the local Rotary Club can be a good add-on for them. Anna said, and she said to look after the assets that we have given you all. You know how this has come here? It has come through Rotary, but it is the hard-earned money of each and every Rotarians who have contributed, and that's how we all have got this facility. It has not come from some corporate where the company has just sanctioned as per their CSR funding, but it has come from the accumulation of the efforts and the hard work money that has come in. So look after that.
I hope you all are happy to be sitting on these benches. Sir, ma'am has shown their gratitude, but I think we are very grateful that the little request that we put to our district, seeing your children sit over here. My only humble submission to all of you all is, please look after these benches, okay? It is not only for you all, it is for generations to come. So after you all are going to be here for 2 years, right? 1 year. 12 science, okay. So 1 year. So after you all, you have to look after, hand it over to the new batch coming in. So just make sure that you don't put in false scratches or leave your marks while writing your names around. I know many of us have the habit of doing it. I did it some time back, but don't do it anymore because this has come out of hard work of people and for you all. So please look after it and take care and do good in your studies. Excel well and raise the bar for other children to look at. So and raise the name of your school.
Respected club members, Vadavnagar Higher Secondary will always remain in depth towards the Rotary Club of Vasco Poketown for donating us these 10 benches. It is a part of upgradation of our higher secondary. What I believe is a good leader is a rich with amalgamation of with the different qualities.
I would like to thank Rotary Club Vasco Poketown for giving us these 10 benches. So I would like to thank AG Shevil Sheikh, President Pallavi Sarwar, AG Radha Lavande, Treasurer Aditya Sarwar,
also for taking this initiative and giving us this benches. Thank you very much. I would like to thank our ex-student, Mr. Vishnu. He is now working for the media, and we are proud to have him as our ex-student.
Wow, very good.